Question number 5. Find the value of variable by systematic method. So here we have been given the equation and we have to find the solution using systematic method. So we solve this equation using systematic method. So in systematic method, what we need to do? We need to do same operation on both the sides. So 2x plus 12 minus 12, 20 minus 12. I have subtracted 12 on both the sides. Actual equation is 2x plus 12 and here we have written 2x plus 12 minus 12. And on RHS also we have done minus 12. So now what? Plus 12 minus 12 has been cancelled. So 2x equal to 18. Okay. Then what we have to do? 2x upon 2. I have divided by 2. Both the sides divided by 2. So x will be equal to 9 answer. Okay. In this way, using systematic method, you can find the value of variables. Next we are having B part. Same way again. Now here also I have added 4 on both the sides. So 3y minus 4 plus 4 equal to 16 plus 4. We have added 4 on both the sides. So minus 4 plus 4 cancelled. What left behind? 3y equal to 16 plus 4, 20. Now in next step we divided by 3. Both the sides divided by 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled and y equal to 20 upon 3. Okay, will be our answer. Then we are in C part. 2x upon 3 plus 16 equal to 30. So here what we need to do is 2x upon 3 plus 16 minus 16. We have subtracted 16 on both the sides. 30 minus 16. So plus 16 minus 16 cancelled. What left behind? 2x upon 3 equal to 14. 30 minus 16 equal to 14. Now what we need to do is, we have multiplied both the sides by 3 by 2. Multiplying both the sides 3 by 2. 2x upon 3 into 3 by 2 and 14 into 3 by 2. So what we get here? 2 cancelled by 2 and 3 cancelled by 3. And here we get 2 divided 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 3s are 21. So x is equal to 21 we will get. Okay. Then we are having D part. 7x upon 5 equal to 25. So what we have done in first step, we have multiplied by 5 on both the sides. So 5 cancelled by 5. So 7x equal to 25 into 5, 125. Then x, next step we have divided by 7. Both the sides have been divided by 7. Here in LHS side 7 cancelled by 7. So x will be equal to 125 upon 7 will be our answer. This is systematic method of solving linear equations. Okay. Now we are having question number 6. Find the solution of the equation by transposition method. So how we find the solution using transposition method? So here we have been given 2x plus 22 equal to 12. So what we need to do? We transport the values, constant values on one side and variable values on the other side. So 2x equal to 12 minus 22. Whenever we move a value from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, the sign will be changed, plus to minus or minus to plus. So plus 22 converted to minus 22. So 2x equal to minus 10. 12 minus 22 is minus 10. So x equal to minus 10 upon 2 and we will get x equal to minus 5. Okay. Then B part. 2x minus 4 equal to 46. So here by transposition 2x equal to 46 plus 4. Minus 4 transposed to RHS side. So minus 4 to plus 4. So 46 plus 4. 2x equal to 50. So now x will be equal to, here 2 is in multiple. So when it taken to RHS side it will divide. So 50 divided by 2, x equal to 25. So value of x is equal to 25. Okay. Then we are having 3x upon 6 minus 8 equal to 15. So solution 3x upon 6 equal to minus 8 transported to RHS side, so minus 8 will be changed to plus 8. So 3x upon 6 equal to 15 plus 8. So 3x upon 6 equal to 23. Now minus upon 6, 3 upon 6, 6 is here divisible. So when transport to RHS side, it will multiply, division to multiplication. So 23 into 6. So 3x equal to 138. Now 3x is in multiple, so value of x equal to 3 will divide on RHS side. So 138 divided by 3, we have what? 46. So value of x is 46. Okay. D part. Now we are having 3x minus 7 equal to 14. So by transposition, 3x equal to 14 plus 7. Minus 7 transferred to RHS side is plus 7. So 3x equal to 14 plus 7. So 3x equal to 21. Now here 3x, 3 is in multiple. When we move to RHS side, it will divide. So x equal to 21 upon 3, that is 7. X equal to 7 answer. Okay, this is the transposition method of solving linear equation. Okay.